So Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is already making rounds months ahead of its launch. And now, in a pleasant development for the fans, a concept render of the handset just appeared online suggesting how the handset could look like. So without further ado, let's start. Hey lads, TechScanning here. So this is an unofficial render, that's why I would suggest you to take it as a guesswork. Anyway, looking at the supposed design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the overall layout is the same. The three bigger camera rings in one column and the smaller ones in the second. However, on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the bigger rings are on a slightly raised camera island like the recently launched Galaxy Z Fold 7, while the rest of the back panel is pretty clean. Now, while this render is not from an official source, also there is plenty of time for the handset to come out, but still there are chances it could be the Galaxy S26 Ultra's design. You know, Samsung usually keeps its design language in line among its various devices like Galaxy S25 Edge and Z Fold 7 sporting a similar design, so maybe it is also coming to the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, Samsung is optimizing its 200 megapixel sensor since the Galaxy S23 Ultra, that's 3 generations from now. I think it will be great that instead of using a sensor from another brand and then testing out different optimizations, Samsung is going with its own similar sensor. Next, while earlier Ice Universe claimed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will pack the same 5000 mAh of battery, though with improved charging speed, but now another tipster claimed a 5500 mAh of battery. However, he also claimed a bump in charging speed, a 65 watt up from 45 watt. So keeping in mind, Ice Universe is usually a reliable source for Samsung news. For the time being, I would suggest you to stick with his information. Anyway, considering there is still plenty of time and we are likely to get more concrete details in the upcoming months, of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.